Hello traders, the title of the video is Steps to Follow when Using Elliott Wave Forecasts. There are many ways technical Elliott Wave traders use the Elliott Wave forecast. To avoid a long discussion, I would like to highlight a few essential steps one must follow when using the Elliott Wave forecast. First, go to the monthly chart, daily chart, and hourly charts, okay, and draw rising, declining, and horizontal channels that are in place. This is because one does not want to violate the market pattern when one is using the Elliott wave forecast. Check if the second step, check if the price is at a resistance or support level on the monthly chart. Attention to the trend line too. Third step, always be ready to buy or sell and never assume that the price will confirm the forecast. All right. The fourth step, check the economy news and understand how they may affect the market sentiment or dynamics of technical Elliott wave trading. The fifth step, compare your own Elliott wave count to the wave forecast if you are an Elliott wave student or trader, because that will help if you have any questions. Sixth step, contact the provider of the Elliott wave forecast if it is possible, all right, by showing your charts and how the trade went. And the last step, my friend, finally, always use the Elliott wave forecast like a pro by implementing a top-down trading strategy because it will help to control risks and improve the market timing. That is it. That is it. I hope those 7 steps will give you food for thought and make you polish the way you use the Elliott wave forecast. The Elliott wave forecast is an expectation that the price must confirm before one buys or sell. Keep learning how to apply the Elliott wave theory, but in the meantime, use a demo account. All right? If you are not yet ready, keep improving. All right? Do not let yourself down. All right? If this video has been useful to you, please give us the thumbs up. Mark it down, my friend. If you think this is another useless tutorial, share it on the social media if it has made your day. Subscribe to 24 Idiot Wave. Click on the notification bell. Subscribe now because it is free. See you on the other side. Happy trading to you all.